sauteed cabbage with cauliflower, so stay tuned. Welcome back to the Berkeley Chef channel. I'm Berkeley, and today we are going to make sauteed cabbage. So first we're going to start with our cabbage here. We're going to take off the outer layer. I'm going to cut off the bottom. Good. Put that aside. Then we're going to continue cutting through the middle. So now we are going to cut out the middle here. Okay, got the core here. I'm gonna leave that aside and do the same for the next one. Okay, so now we are going to cut it up. Let's see, we're going to start by going like this. So we're going to transfer the cabbage to the plate. Then we're going to do the same for this side. Now this is also another way you can do it too.
A Berkeley Chef interruption.
Hi, I'm Caleb. Are you a parent whose child handwriting is messy? Well, I was like that too. Then I learned cursive handwriting and my handwriting improved a lot. I love cursive writing a lot. That's why I made this book, my easy cursive handwriting book. The fun and easy way for your child to learn cursive. No tears, no fuss. The benefits of this book are from A to Z. Your child will learn how to form all the cursive letters neatly and tight. There will also be words at the end of the book for your child to practice and some blank pages for your child to write some words. Your child can be writing very neat soon. So make sure to grab your copy of this book on Amazon.com or Amazon.ca. Or you can scan this QR code here to take you to the book. Thank you for your support. Bye! So we're gonna start the fire here. We're gonna drizzle a little oil. We're gonna add in our onion and garlic. And we're gonna stir it up. We are now going to put in the cauliflower and let it saute with the onion and garlic. So we are now going to put our cabbage. And let it saute for a bit. We are now going to put our salt. And we are also going to add in our black pepper. We're going to then add our half a cup of tomato sauce. Mix it up. Then we are going to add in 1 cup of water. So we're going to cook the cabbage until the cabbage is tender and the cauliflower is tender too. And we're going to cook it for 15 to 20 minutes and we see you when it's finished. So the cabbage has finished cooking and my mom made some coconut, turmeric, ginger, immune booster rice. It's very good. You can go and get her recipe book when it comes out. So we have our cabbage here. We sprinkle some sesame seeds, some black and white, chili flakes and chives. And this is how it looks. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like or a rumble. Thank you for watching this video. You can also check us out on Brightron, Rumble, and you can also get our merch at berkeleychef.com/shop. Thank you for your support. Bye.